Beaver 28 Kilo Heavy, turn left Echo, ground point 8.
Some Echo from point 8, Beaver to 28 Kilo Heavy.
Okay, 2428, give way at British Airways at Echo. Give way to British Airways, Echo United 2428. Who else is calling?
Ground Beaver 28 Kilo.
Beaver 28 Kilo Heavy, Tesco ground, taxi via Alpha ramp.
Okay, Alpha to the ramp, Beaver 28 Kilo.
Beaver 28 Kilos Heavy, taxi via Bravo, Hotel Alpha ramp.
Oh, yeah, too late to Bravo, we've missed it.
Beeching Bird 28 Kilo Heavy, join Bravo, turn left, please, now.
Beaver 28 Kilo, you told us Alpha, and we're not too far over to make Bravo.
Okay, so you can't turn at all?
Well, we can, but there's a green area on the left. Is that suitable for taxiing over?
Affirmative.
Okay, we'll turn left. Next time, tell us the correct taxiway.
Listen, we're in training up here. Mistakes are going to happen, and look at that. Your nose wheel is on the line, so you very well could do it. Know your aircraft.
I know my aircraft. I don't appreciate that.
Bravo Hotel Alpha.
Environment. We're trying to do checklists, and you give me contradictory instructions.
Beaver 28 Kilo Heavy, I'm going to have a phone number for you. Stand by. Don't talk on the radio anymore. Yeah, 2428, continue taxi on Bravo. Southwest 3036, Bravo to Hotel Alpha.
Bravo Hotel Alpha.
Southwest 3036, go Bravo Juliet Alpha now.
Bravo Juliet Alpha, Southwest 3036.
Speedbird 28 Kilo Heavy, are you ready to copy?
Negative.
Speedbird 28 Kilo Heavy, continue. Hotel Alpha short of Mike.
Hotel Alpha, Hotel Mike, Speedbird 28 Kilo.
Speedbird 28 Kilo Heavy, continue. Hotel Alpha to the ramp, advise when ready to copy.
Hotel Alpha to the ramp, go ahead, Speedbird 28 Kilo.
650-827.
Say, I've got it.